So here it is all cleaned up. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. Basically just soaked it in the dishwashing liquid for a few hours, mixing it up every now and again, and then sprayed it with degreaser and hosed it off, and then just blow it with compressed air to dry it out a bit. I'll start putting it back together. Just an update, I got the good cams off, and then I put, as you probably saw, I put one on and then realised I need to have them off to get the cover off and the thermostat housing off. So I've took that off now, and I'll probably give that a bit of a clean up. Clean that up. Well, it didn't look like there was a gasket on it. Not sure. There's a gasket on that, but see. So yeah, that's where I'm up to. So I'll just soak that thermostat housing in there for a little while, and while I go to the shop. Be back soon. Alright, so I've cleaned this up as good as I could. It's not great, but should be alright. I cleaned up that surface there. I bought some of this gasket maker. I'm going to try using this. See how that goes. Clean that surface a bit. So I'll bolt it on. Alright, so I have put that on. It says to do it finger tight and then leave it for 1 hour and then come back and tighten it up. So I'll just follow the instructions. But so I'm kind of stuck now because I have to wait an hour to tighten these. And then if I put the cover on, I can't tighten them, so not sure what else to do. Not sure what else needs swapping. So I'll see you in an hour, I guess. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've got everything transferred. The only thing still left on the old one is the exhaust nuts, I think. I've changed, I've put this sensor in. This sensor, put this little, whatever that is, little hose, rubber hose, cap thing. Put the heater hose on. Put the sensor on. If anyone has any advice on whereabouts to position this, let me know, because I reused this cap from the new head as well as all these caps as well, so I reused all that, so I don't have any, not sure exactly where to position this, but I'll try to find out. So the new cams are in, everything's on. So I'm just getting a new gasket for the intake and a new valve cover gasket, and then I think that's it. Should be ready to go back on. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I missed or any advice. Thank you, see ya.